When I think about the future, the first thing that I think about is artificial intelligence. When will it be here? Well, it turns out it's going to be here real soon with a brand new cryptocurrency named AutoCrypto. That's what we're going to talk about today. It's a new project on the scene, and I can't wait to share this with you. It's one that, when I started to look at it, it really blew me away. And I don't say that very often. It's very rare that a new crypto that launches really just grabs my attention. Well, today, we're going to talk about AutoCrypto, so let's jump right to it. So the first thing I want to talk about is their overall market cap. AutoCrypto right now trading at roughly 12 cents. We can take a quick look here if we zoom out on the charts. The project was recently listed on CoinMarketCap on October 18th. So this project is less than 2 months old right now. And it started out at roughly 3 cents a coin. Now they're up to, give or take 12 to 14 cents a coin. And right now, overall, the current market cap isn't listed. So let's talk about what does AutoCrypto do. Let's go straight to their website. So with AutoCrypto, you can earn passive income using the power of AI. So how do they do it? Well, basically, this project just sort of automates your investments using artificial intelligence to get a higher return than you would get if you were doing manual trades. It's kind of like the ultimate trading bot. And so we're going to just walk through this. At first, I was a bit skeptical, and I still am skeptical because I always think that there are a lot of trading bots out there, and none of them are very successful. It really depends on the strategy you implement. But again, I guess a lot of those trading bots don't use artificial intelligence. Most trading bots, you implement a strategy, and then you hope that the fees and the strategy make sense so that you then make money on it. As we scroll down, we see a brief explanation of what is AutoCrypto. Basically, just that it goes through a mathematical extrapolation of polynomials through artificial intelligence to figure out what are the best investments for you to maximize your return. I wanted to bring this to you because if this works, this will certainly be a way to generate life-changing wealth. So as we scroll down more, we can see that we get insights into things like trend history, historical data points, critical news. These are all things that the AI takes into consideration when placing its bets and adjusting its strategy. So this project comes in different tiers, which I found interesting, and it's kind of a unique approach. So they have the beginner tier, which means you have to have 75 AU tokens. Then it gradually progresses. You have, the initiate tier, the pro tier, and then the elite tier. I hope to eventually get to the elite tier because if this works, I'm going to want to maximize this. This is something that if you get in early, you could really make a ton of money with this, especially if people don't know about the project yet. This is one of those things you want to grab these tokens quick because they could very quickly go up in price if the value is there, if this really works well. So now, does it work well? That's the real question, right? Well, currently, this project is not fully released. Their artificial intelligence is supposed to come out in Q1 of next year. So right now, they have an artificial trading bot working, but it only works in their Discord channels. So right now, if you buy AutoCrypto, link your wallet, link your Discord, then you can have access to trading channels to see what the bots are doing or what the artificial intelligence is doing. So as we scroll down on AutoCrypto, look at this crazy return. So this starts from November 17th and goes to December 5th at a 466% return. What? Yeah, 466%. I'm dying to know if this is real, because if it is real, this is going to be fantastic. And it's definitely one that I'm going to want to throw some money in and see how this goes. So they have a little investment calculator. I found this not to work for me right now, but good thing that they have it. And then, so how do they want it to work? Well, let's talk about that. So the way it's going to work is you're going to get early notifications, essentially pop-ups letting you know possibly what to buy, right? Depending on which plan you have. I think that's how that works. And then they have a whale tracker. So their artificial intelligence monitors different cryptocurrencies. I think it's over 200 different cryptocurrencies for big whale trades, and will look for momentum movements that you can get in on, or it will place those positions for you. Super interesting. I'm very surprised that this isn't already built, but regardless, it is a very interesting way to trade, and I wonder how effective it is. So then they also have a flash loan attack detector, where essentially you have these flash loan attacks, the price will drop nearly to zero, and then they'll jump in at a very low price, ride the wave on the upside. Super interesting. If the artificial intelligence can detect all of this, this will also help make you more profitable. And then they have a bear market detector. I'm not quite sure how this works, but overall, just a really cool project. Down here, it gives you an example of the bot sort of making trades and looking at different positions, finding out where to enter and where to exit. Trading bots have interested me for quite a long time. And the one thing that bothers me about them is that you do have to monitor the strategy constantly. So even if you are savvy enough to set up a bot, figure out a strategy to implement, then you have to monitor it constantly to see how effective it is. So overall, if this is sort of a set it and forget it and let the team worry about maximizing results, then this could be great. This could be fantastic. Just throw your money in and watch it grow. So pretty extensive team overall. And the way I found out about this project was the fact that they're partnered with Affinity. So right now when I stake my Affinity coins, I get AU tokens in addition to my Affinity coins, which is overall just really cool. And it builds a little trust in my mind because I know the Affinity developers and I have trust in them. So therefore, I now have trust in this project, which is fantastic. We look at the roadmap down here. We can see the concept started at early last year. Then they did a pre-sale in Q4. They're getting ready for the public launch in 2022 Q1. So this is where it gets exciting. This is the time to get in right now. This is the one you don't want to miss. So, check out the site, check out the coin. Overall, I find it fascinating. If it really does work, I'm gonna hope that I have a full bag of AU tokens. I already set up the alpha application, and there's not much to it right now, so I'm wondering how it's gonna come out polished in a couple more weeks or another month or two. Let's see what happens, but overall, this is a project I'm very excited about. If you enjoyed the content and want to see new hot picks just like this, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and let me know down below in the comments what you think of AutoCrypto. I'll catch you in the next one.